We have gathered some amazing facts about love that will make you go grateful for this warm and fuzzy emotion, despite how overwhelming it can be at times, and for relationship advice that will keep love in your life. So, let's start with 10 amazing facts about love that will make your heart smile. First, falling in love is like being on drugs. That feeling of euphoria you get when you fall in love in the same feeling that drug users experience, according to one study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine. Both actions trigger the release of a happy hormone like dopamine, oxytocin, and adrenaline, giving you a natural high. Second, hugging your partner is an instant stress reliever. Feeling stressed? Hug it out with the person you love. One study conducted by psychiatrists at the University of North Carolina found that when couples embraced, they have increased level of oxytocin, the hormone responsible for lower stress levels and mood boosts. Third, a happy heart is a healthy heart. Being in a loving relationship impacts your life for the better both emotionally and physically. According to one meta-analysis, for more than 3.5 million people nationwide, married individuals up to the age of 50 were 12% less likely to experience vascular disease compared to their divorced or single counterparts. Fourth, animals commit to monogamous relationships too. Humans aren't the only species in the animal kingdom that practice monogamous relationships. Out in the wild, bearer, otter, wolves, seahorses, and barn owls are just some of the species that mate for life. Fifth, couples' heartbeats synchronize. When you and your spouse gaze into one another's eyes, what's happening behind the scene is that your heart rates are syncing up. According to the research from scientists at the University of California, Davis, when they analyzed 32 heterosexual couples who sat facing one another for 3 minutes, the researchers found that their heart rates were nearly identical, and they speculate that this occurred because of the strong link between partners on both an emotional and physical level. 6. Being in love is the number one reason why people wed. According to a 2013 survey from the Pew Research Center, about 9 in 10 of all Americans cited love as an important reason to get married, compared to just 28% of people who said that financial stability was an important factor in whether a couple should wed. 7. Remarriage is becoming more popular. Now more than ever, divorced individuals are finding love and happiness with new partners and remarriages. In 2013, 23% of married people had been divorced at least once before, compared to a much lower 13% in 1960. Romantic love is a very powerfully wonderful addiction when things are going well. That's because those hormones that your brain releases when you are in love are intensely euphoric. So much so that they can make you addicted to love and the person you are in love with. 9. Cuddling is good for you. There's a reason that you love those scared snuggle sessions so much. Every time you and your partner cuddle, it triggers the release of happiness hormone oxytocin to increase your mood and well-being. This phenomenon is so well documented, in fact, that oxytocin is often referred to as the cuddling hormone or the love hormone. 10th, it ease chronic pain. Though love isn't going to be replacing modern medicine anytime soon, it could come in handy if you ever find yourself in some serious pain. One study conducted by researchers at the Stanford University School of Medicine found that the warm and fuzzy feeling creates the same response in the brain as painkillers.